Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. When it comes to sticking to it, Franklin International has the years of experience and the products to get the job done. Founded in 1935, Franklin International manufactures a broad range of adhesives, sealants, and glues for use in the construction, furniture, millwork, label, and fiberglass industries. With headquarters in Columbus, Ohio, 8 distribution centers across the U.S., and a manufacturing facility in China, Franklin International has a global reach, providing products and services to over 60 countries on 6 continents. The company operates 2 divisions. The Adhesives and Polymers Group manufactures custom adhesives for wood manufacturing and millwork, and pressure-sensitive adhesives for labels and specialized packaging needs. The Construction Products Group makes Titebond, the industry's most recognized line of woodworking glues. The Titebond brand also includes more than 90 different products, such as adhesives, caulks, and sealants used for construction, remodeling, and general repair. Franklin International is a company of firsts, from the first liquid hide glue in ready-to-use form to the first adhesive used for peel and stick postage stamps. Franklin International pushes the envelope in research and development to provide people with better, faster, and easier results. Franklin International's vision is to become the world's most trusted adhesion company. An unwavering commitment to core values and to building a team of innovative, talented people brings that vision to life. To learn more about Franklin International, visit them online at franklininternational.com or call 800-877-4583. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.